So I have a quick and easy project for you guys today. We need some 35mm hoops, some 8/0 seed beads, these are in our Fiesta color mix, and some 24 gauge craft wire. So all we're gonna do is we're gonna thread a bunch of beads onto our wire. Let me go ahead and pop this open. You need about 10 inches of beads for this size of hoop. Don't worry too much about the pattern of the beads. I know it looks kind of funny when you first start and you're like, oh no, I have too many of the same color together. But when you wrap it all the way around the hoop, you won't be able to tell. So let me go ahead and add my 10 inches of beads. Okay, so I have my 10 inches of bead strung on here. I just strung it directly onto the spool of wire, so I don't have to measure out the wire, and I just use exactly what I need. What I'm gonna do to start with is once I have my beads strung onto my wire, I need to wrap my wire around my hoop a few times. All right, I'm gonna clip off the end and make sure I have that nice and snug. Now I'm gonna push the beads up next to my hoop here. Okay. And I'm going to start wrapping. And I'm just kind of twisting the wire around, pushing the beads up and twisting the beadwork like so. Adding more beads and just continuing to twist. If your beadwork doesn't want to spin, you can always go into the loop, around, into the loop, around, into the loop, and around like so. Let me go ahead and finish wrapping this, and then I'll show you guys what we're gonna do next. Okay, so I have my beads wrapped all the way around my hoop, and now I'm gonna wrap my wire a few times around the hoop without any beads to secure it down. Alrighty, and then we're going to clip off the tail and fold that down. And voila, you have a cute pair of beaded Fiesta hoops. Hope you guys enjoyed this project. Thank you so much for watching. If you would like to purchase materials, you can find them at originalsbeadsandgems.com. Talk to you guys later. Bye.